Here I have DOOGEE S96 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So to do this, what you have to do is to eject the SIM card slot firstly, which is located here. So you can basically just do this with your fingernails, but oh yeah, I made it. But if you don't have fingernails, or they are too short, you can use some extra tool to do this, but I managed it somehow. So here you have to put your SD card, and here you have to put your SIM card, and then just put it back into your device, just like this. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is read. Let's enter it. And there is also a notification that SD card found, which is the proof that SD card is also read. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.